anything. Only thing is when I'm showing the problems, just take a photo shoot of it and put it in the chat box. Okay. Be ready with that. I don't want anything else. Have a calculator in your hand, if possible. Yeah. A calculator should be like this. This is how a calculator is. That I don't know whether you're able to see. Yeah, you're able to see. Yeah. This type of a calculator is very comfortable than scientific calculators. Yeah, because it's easy to type, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. So fast we can do it. So that is the only thing which I wanted to say. If you have it with your father or mother in the office, please take it and come for a 1 day's exam. Yeah, just borrow it. Fine. So that's really nice. Please come on a camera, all of you. Okay, if I'll have a very larger preview if it is really good. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are on camera, including the teacher. 7. Thank you. Please, yeah, now we'll start our class. I request a larger gallery to be previewed, but as some students are not coming in camera, Harshita has not come, I think. Arin has not come, I think. Shweta is there. There are a few more set, please. Divyansh, Ashley. Okay. Anisha is there in the camera? No. Okay. Please be on the camera for just 10 minutes, please. Let me go ahead with the class. I don't want to stop you. Oh, this is the same problem, so I will not teach this. This is the same problem, so not this. So third problem. All of you had a breakfast?
No, not yet.
Not yet. So, okay. This is a very nice problem. It looks really huge, When a person reads sum, it looks, so much adjustments and so many debits and so many credits. That is not the aspect which we have to take in. We take it in a positive mode. Okay, this can be done very easily. Yeah, that's how it is. I'm reading the problem. See the style of way I'm doing it. From the following trial balance, prepare a trading and profit loss account for the year ended 31/12/2018 and the balance sheet as on that date. I need to read the concept. That's all. Capital is there. Drawing is there. Plant and machinery is there. Stock on 1st January is there. Purchase and sales is there. Purchase and sales return is there. General expense is there. Rent is there. Rates is there. Apprenticeship premium is there. Bank overdraft is there. Bad debts is there. Debtors and creditors are there. Cash on hand is there. Bad debt reserve is there. Wow, that's really nice that everything is there, but only thing we have to see whether debit and credit total is proper. You have to see this total is very pakka. 18,872 is very, very important. If suppose there's a difference in this total, then you get the full marks in your exam. Yeah, of course, that's a secondary aspect that I'll give a mistake in a trial balance. I will always make sure that the sum is tallied. Yeah, so that is one aspect which you can really find out. Debit and credit should be same. Now you understood what are the credit items. Yeah, the credit items are always less. Please remember that concept in a trial balance. Yeah. The next thing is provisions. Provisions for the following are like this. Depreciate or plant and machinery at 10%. Increase bad debt reserves at 5% on sundry debtors. Rent accrued is 40%. Rates of rupees 80 are paid in advance. Accrued is something called as outstanding. Remember that. Outstanding is another name called accrued. Okay. Paid in advance is nothing but prepaid. Prepaid is the other concept. Fine. So this is the concept which we have to really remember. Please write it down in a star mark. Stock in hand is closing stock is 1,700. Apprenticeship premium received in advance. Again, it is a prepaid concept, but it is a credit item. Remember that concept very clearly. Apprenticeship premium is a credit item of your P&L account and it is a liabilities. So these are the new concepts which we are learning here in this particular transaction. Hope somebody has taken the photo of this particular problem. Have you taken a photo of this? Yeah, if you can take a photo of this properly and put it in your chat box, I can close this and I can open an Excel sheet. Can I have somebody doing it? Can I have somebody taking up the photo and please come on camera, everybody. Again, there's a larger view is very less. Thank you, Sridhar. Thank you, Sridhar S. Sudhir, Sweta, thank you. That's really nice. Okay, so now we'll go ahead. I'm closing the sum. So please, the question is with you, okay? The question is with you. You will tell me each and everything and we will go ahead doing things. Next aspect is Excel. Microsoft Excel. Okay. Yeah, Microsoft Excel is started. So what is it? Any name in the books of anybody? No, right? Any name is there in the sum? Any name? No. Is there any name? First. Can I have the answer from your side? Any name is there? No, right?
No, no name.
Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Rupees. Yes. Debit. Yeah. Okay. So in the books, bold, trading and profit and loss, bold. Yeah. So I've done the thing, particular aspect. Format is ready for me. Now balance sheet has to be ready in the books. Balance sheet, I can put it in a little more down. I'll just put it in this place, particular place. Yeah. In the books of dash dash. Yeah, there is no name, so we are just balance sheet. It's on 31st December 2018. Liabilities. Amount. Asset. Amount. So E column is the inner column and B column is the inner column. Yeah. Whereas in trading and profit and loss, C column is the inner column and D column is the outer column. If you want, I can follow the same style also. I'll make that into the same format. Yeah, we'll make this here. Yeah, so that then it is the same thing. Yeah, C column and F column. Okay, amount is there. So this column can be reduced because it's a date. Fine. So we need to have a rupees We need to have a rupees. I will share the sum immediately once I finish. I want you all to observe how I'm doing it. Please do not do anything. It is getting recorded, so you will be able to read it once again. My request. Yeah, thank you. That will be nice. Now, what is the first thing in our problem? What is the first thing in our problem? Can I have you people opening the image and telling me each and everything?
Capital.
Yeah. Thank you.
Capital.
Capital. Yeah. So where does the capital come? It comes under liabilities. So capital. What is the amount?
4250.
250. Yeah, 4250. Now I'm taking the trial balance and segregating it into trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet. So each and every ingredient, I would say that, yeah, ingredient, yeah, ingredients are segregated. Yeah, so trial balance is getting segregated into trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Yeah, so that is the aspect of this lesson. So now what is the next one? What is next?
Drawings.
Drawings.
Drawings. What is the amount?
710.
710.
Yeah, less drawings, no? We'll do one thing. That's that according to the format we are doing. According add net profit, NP have given. Less drawings. How much?
700.
700.
710.
710. Okay, fine. 710. So we'll keep it like this. Okay. We have kept it in the inner column. What is next? Plant and machinery. And machinery. 950. The depreciation there. Am I right? Provision. First provision is there. Right? So we'll leave it there. We'll not do the adjustments right now. So keep it there. Stock. Yeah. Stock is opening stock. How much is the stock?
1460.
1460. 460. Yeah. So I put it in the outer column. Yeah. What is the next? Purchase. To purchase. Any purchase returns are there? Yeah, it is there. So 10,362 inner column we'll write. Yeah. And sales is there. Buy sales, how much is the amount? That also I'll put it in the inner column. 11,906. That's how it is. Now what is it? Purchase return. Now which is purchase and which is sales return here? Can you tell me? Can one of you tell me in the class? I've already told you. When purchase is a debit, what is the return? Return will be what? Which place? It will be in credit or debit? Return will be in a credit or debit? If you give me an answer, it will be easy. Can I have an answer from you? Any message? Purchase. Yes, Prem, you're giving me an answer?
No, ma'am. I'm thinking.
Thinking. Please be on camera, all of you. What is purchase return? 291 or 290? Or 210? Sorry. 291 or 210?
210, ma'am.
Why 210? Okay. Now, purchase is always a debit entry. Am I right? So purchase return is always a credit entry. Take that into my note. Okay. Take that into your note and please write it in the notebook. Less purchase return. PR. Yeah. 291. Now, what is the subtraction? 10,362 minus 291. Can you please tell me? 10,362 minus 291. 10,071. The column. Same way, sales less Sales return, SR 210. So what is the amount? 11,906. 11,906 minus 210. 11,696. I've done that. Done. Purchase and purchase return is done. General expense. That's coming under P&L account. So I'll start my P&L account here. To general expense. There's no transactions, I think, and I know adjustments 440. Straight away outer column. Yeah. Rent. There is an adjustment, so we'll have to keep that in the inner column. Rent 120 because I read the problem, right? So I remember there is an adjustment, so we leave it there. Rates. There is an adjustment. So leaving a line and writing the amount. I'm just filling the figures. 200. Yeah. There's an adjustment, so leave a space. Apprenticeship premium is a P&L account transaction. So gross profit is the first item. So second item will be apprenticeship premium. I'm following the particular format, but sometimes I'm not following the format also, but I'm giving importance for the main ingredients like gross profit, net profit, capital, capital, add net profit, less drawings. I'm following that particular format. If you really see in your balance sheet format, yeah, 80 in a column I'll write because there's some adjustment. Apprenticeship premium is there. Bank overdraft is a liability, so straight away put it in the liabilities, giving a space, right? Bank overdraft OD 240 outer column. Bad debts is 172, so there is